What's up everyone, this is Ryan here. Today I just want to do a talking video of the Craftsman cordless screwdriver. This is a model CMHT6640. And I'm hoping some point this thing will get used next weekend. I'm hoping this thing will get used again this year because, well, I mean, I know this thing will get used again this year because, because one thing I really something like this, because if you use something like this much, a little bit we can tell because you can see how much it's better this thing, but I do kind of like this thing a lot. And I know this is a 2022 model, but you can see, look at how this thing's actually, you can see it's pretty small in my opinion, but like I said, I mean, you can see how much it's better this thing's actually, because it's not a bad looking machine in my opinion, but you can see how much it's better this thing's actually, because this thing will get used again this year for 2025 exactly, but I do hope some point this thing will get used. But don't worry, this thing will get used again this year. But you know how much it's better. You can see it's still got one bar left in the battery, which I know since the fact this thing will get used almost quite a bit, because you can tell this thing does get used almost quite a bit. And I know at some point you know how you expect this thing. I know it still works, you can see, but it's way how you expect it. But I use just this thing almost like quite a bit because you can see how much it's better this thing's like, because, well, it's really unexpected. The other thing will come on, and also the battery will come on. It was on 4, you can see, but you can tell it's definitely how much expected this thing exactly, because, well, you just basically just like how much you expected this thing exactly. And I do kind of like this thing a lot because you can see how much expected this thing. So I do hope at some point that it will get used this year for 2025 exactly. It will get used again either this next weekend or wait till like March or something like that. But I really hope at some point where this thing will get used. But yeah, you can see that's a very nice looking machine.